Hi guys, we received this pull-out kitchen faucet for reviewing purposes. I think it's really nice. You're gonna see it in a bit, but I think it's gonna be really easy to install. You have in here the installation manual with all the steps on how to do it. Okay, comes really well protected, and as you can see, it has this really beautiful gold finish that I find quite nice. Okay, this is it. You can move it like this. You have in here, so it's pull out. You have three spraying modes. Okay, we're gonna see them in a bit. You can control it with this side. Okay, and pull it out, which I think it's really nice. It also comes with a base plate that goes in your sink and the weight. Okay, so let's go ahead and start installing it, and let's see how it works. Come on. Okay guys, as you can see, it's already installed. I think it looks really beautiful. The gold finish is amazing. You can control it like this. This is the hot water. This is the cold water, okay. And as I said, it's a pull down sprayer, so you can take it out, as you can see, to reach all around your sink. And it goes back up, and you can also have three sprayer modes. There's like a shower head that it's crossed. I think it's really nice. And you also have this one, okay, to clean your sink, something like that. I think it's gonna be really useful. And overall, because it has three modes and it's really versatile, this can move around and you can reach all the way of your sink. I think it's really nice, and it will do an amazing job in your kitchen. And overall, I think it's really nice, and I will really recommend it. See you guys.